Tonight, we bring you a Disney Halloween treat. Hello, I'm Michael Eisner, and the Disney gang stopped by my office on their way to a Halloween party to show me their costumes.
How do I look, Michael?
Well, Mickey, you look great. I would have never guessed it was you.
Hi, Michael. It's me, Minnie. How do I look?
Fantastic. You look truly fantastic.
How?
By the way, where's Goofy?
Oh, he'll be right here. He's been working on his costume for a month. No one will ever guess it's Goofy.
Never.
Oh, there's Goofy now.
Hiya, guys. What do you think?
Wow, that's a swell costume, don't you think, Michael?
It's okay. It's okay.
Calling one and all tonight. It's hopping at the hall tonight. Dropping at the ball tonight. Disney's Halloween treat. Creatures on the prowl tonight. Features fair and foul tonight. They'll meet you there to howl tonight at Disney's Halloween treat. Black cats and bats and ghosts make most attractive hosts.
They're dying for a dance with you.
So play that haunting refrain.
And now, it's time for a Disney Halloween.
Tricks and treats to try tonight. We'll be riding high tonight. Your spirit's gonna fly tonight